Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Again, this one is certified pre-owned. Sahara beige MB Tex interior. The burl nut walnut wood trim. Panorama sunroof. On back, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, convenience package with auto-dimming mirrors and garage door openers, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual clamp controls, cup holders. This CLA has 22,948 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.